Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi Note 14 Pro, and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the additional settings. Then let's tap on Accounts and Sync and tap on Add Account. Choose Google and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data. And here you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me quickly do it. Maybe not so quickly. Okay, and tap on Next. Here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, and tap on Next. Here you have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and tap on Next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, just choose the option Learn More and tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on Accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course, you can remove the account whenever you want to. Just tap on it and tap on More. Tap on Remove Account, tap on Remove Account, and it will immediately disappear. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.